Chapter 1 Introduction to Computer System. Topics covered: Hardware, Software. The parts of a computer can be divided into two main categories: hardware and software. Let us study about them one by one in detail. Hardware. Hardware refers to those parts of the computer that we can see, touch and work upon. It helps us to communicate with the computer. The computer hardware is mostly attached externally to the computer, but some of the parts are fixed internally. Hard disk, memory chip, microprocessor, etc. are some of the internal computer parts. Based on its function, the hardware of a computer can be categorized into four types: input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. An input device is used to enter data and give instructions to the computer. The commonly used input devices are: a keyboard has keys on it. Whatever we type using the keyboard, it appears on the monitor. A mouse is a pointing device which allows us to give commands as input. We use a mouse to point at, select, and move objects on the monitor. We can record and send our sound into the computer using a microphone. Webcam is a camera that is attached to the computer to capture videos. It is mainly used for video conferencing. A joystick is used to play games on the computer. The stick is used to move in any direction while playing games. A scanner copies a picture or text printed on a paper into the computer. There are mainly three types of scanners: flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, and handheld scanner. Processing device. Central Processing Unit, CPU, is a processing device in a computer. It is also called the brain of a computer. This is where the computer does all its processing work. It processes the data we feed into the computer and gives the output as information. It is inside the box called CPU box. A CPU is made up of three main parts. They are: memory unit. In this unit, we can store data and instructions which are to be processed and are then passed on to
ALU or CU.
Control unit. The control unit controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. Arithmetic and logic unit. This unit performs all arithmetic and logical operations. Output devices. Output devices are used to display the result of processing of the data. Output may be printouts from the printer, sounds on the speakers, or images on the monitor. The commonly used output devices are: a monitor displays whatever is typed on the screen. It also displays the processed information. It is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. The output on monitor is called soft copy. We can hear sounds coming from the computer with the help of speakers. The headphones allows us to listen sounds of the computer privately in our ears. A printer helps us to print on a paper what we see on the monitor screen. The output printed on a paper is called hard copy. A projector displays images and videos from a computer on a large screen. Storage devices. All the work done by us on the computer is stored as data. We can save our data to use it later with the help of data storage devices. Here are some of the external storage devices. A hard disk is the main storage device which stores all the work we do on a computer. It is present inside the CPU box. Compact disk, CD, is a round, shiny and circular disk that can store data. A CD can be read as many times as we want to and can be written and erased again. Digital versatile disc, DVD, is just like a CD, but it has a greater storage capacity. It is ideal for saving movies for better picture quality. A pen drive is a tiny storage device that can store a large amount of data and can be carried easily. Software. Unlike a hardware, a software cannot be seen or touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software installed in it. Software refers to specially written programs that contain instruction for the computer to carry its function. These programs are written in a language which only a computer can understand. Computer software can be classified into two types: system software and application software. System software. It is also known as operating system. Without an operating system, a computer has no life. It contains all the programs that are required to run the computer. Some of the examples of system software are Windows, iOS, Android, Ubuntu. Application software. The software which is specially designed to carry out a particular function is called an application software. These softwares come loaded in CDs and has to be installed on the computer system. Some of the commonly used application softwares are word processors. Word processors are used to type, edit, format text documents for official purpose. The widely used word processor is MS Word. Spreadsheets. These types of programs help to store, organize and calculate the data in tabular form. The most common spreadsheet program is MS Excel. Presentations. With the help of MS PowerPoint, we can present our data in the form of slideshows. Computer games. We can play games on the computer for recreation. Some of the games such as Solitaire, Hearts, etc. come pre-installed on the computer. Music players. We can listen songs on our computer with the help of Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, etc. We can create our playlists and install songs of our choice.